did he sleep at night? Timothy slept at night in cook's quarter. Who was cook? Muhammad was the cook, and was always delighted at being let out by him in the morning. At night he slept in a cook's quarter, and in the morning he was released to go out. When Timothy was released to go out, he was happy, he was delighted. His joy knew no bounds. You understand? Now let's have a look up what your Oriya meaning. Right? Full grown means what tell? Purna prapta. Vayaska. Retriever. Udharaka. Next word is birth. Sthana. Birth. In train, we generally don't say seat, we say birth. Next one is reclining. Aram re. Right. Dignity. Marjada. Next snarling. Barking angrily or roaring. Next scrub. Majiba. Pochi bar kariba. Next pa. Pa means panja. So here now let's move to the next para. Okay. Next para is like this. One of these days, declare grandfather in a prophetic manner. Prophetic manner means forecasting manner, predicting manner. We are going to find Timothy sitting on Muhammad you know cook, Muhammad's bed. And no sign of cook except his clothes and shoes. One day, grandfather told, suppose one day we would find Timothy on Muhammad's bed. And there was Timothy nowhere. Only his clothes and shoes were lying on the cot. What does it mean? It means Timothy had eaten whom? Muhammad the cook, leaving only his clothes and shoes. Could understand? This was a joke, just for the sake of fun, father said. Of course, it never came to that. Actually, it did not happen. Could understand? It did not happen. Timothy was not on the bed. And Muhammad was alive. Could understand? It was just for a fun. But when Timothy was about 6 months old, a change came over him. The writer or the author or grandfather, the cook, everybody saw a great change on Timothy when he was 6 years old. He grew steadily less friendly. He did not play with Poppy or Toto as he played earlier. He remained away from them. So gradually Timothy became less friendly. He did not play with anyone. He did not meet with others as he did before. When out for a walk with me, when he was out for a walk with the writer, he would try to steal away to stalk a cat or someone's pet penguins. This is the new mischief that Timothy did. He was always in the mischievous mood. He used to attack cats or Pekins, a kind of dog. Sometimes at night we would hear frenzied cackling, frenzied sound, stirring sound from the poultry house. That means from it we understand that Timothy entered into the poultry house and killed some animals. While doing it, the birds made stirring sounds, frenzied cacklings. So these were the new mischiefs done by Timothy. And in the morning, there would be feathers lying all over the veranda. At night, there was a frenzied cackling or stirring sound. In the morning, it was found that some feathers were scattered over the veranda in the morning. Timothy had to be changed up more often. Now it was felt that Timothy was not always in a good mood. He had already changed. I mean, a lot of change came over him, and he was doing different mischievous things, dangerous things. So Timothy, the writer, thought that now it is time for Timothy to be changed more often. It should not be let free as it was before. And finally, when he began to talk Muhammad about the house with what looked like villainous intent, and Timothy developed villainous intent. His intention was not good. His intention was to kill someone, to attack someone. This was his intention. Grandfather decided it was time to transfer him to Jew. Seeing all these nuisances, mischiefs, all these changes, grandfather thought, now it is time to transfer Timothy from here to a Jew. Let's see whether Timothy was transferred or not. The nearest Jew was at Lucknow. What did I say? The nearest Jew was at Lucknow. 200 miles away. How long? 200 miles away. Reserving a first class compartment in a train. Grandfather reserved a compartment, first class compartment for himself and Timothy, and no one would share a compartment with them, and no one was there with them. In the compartment, only Timothy and grandfather were there. Grandfather took him to Lucknow, where the Jew authorities were only too glad to receive as a gift. They reached Lucknow Jew, and Jew authorities were very happy, very glad to receive a gift, a well-fed and a fairly civilized tiger. They were very happy because Timothy was brought up in a home environment and was taught good manners. So it was civilized. And the Jew authorities were very happy. Who were very happy? Why? Because the tiger was well fed and good civilized tiger. Nearest means Jew, you know चिड़ियाखाना, reserving, संरक्षण करी, compartment, right, share, authorities, glad, receive, gift, civilized, bhadra, right. It, now let's say. Here are some words. Declared means prophetic, of course, change, steadily, right, still, Pekins, frenzied cackling, उत्कंठी राव चित्कार, poultry house, feather, veranda. So these were the word meanings. So today we discussed 2-3 paragraphs of the story, a tiger in the house. We will have more in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.